In today's fast-paced world, time management is more important than ever. Balancing between work, school, family, and personal needs can be challenging. But with the right strategies, you can use your time effectively. Set goals. Foundation of time management is setting your goals. By setting short-term and long-term goals, you can plan your time to achieve these goals. Your goals should be clear, measurable, and achievable. Set priorities. Prioritizing your daily tasks will help you use your time more effectively. By focusing on prioritized tasks, you can use your time most efficiently to complete the most important tasks. Planning and tracking to manage your time effectively. Create a plan and stick to it. By making daily, weekly, or monthly plans, you can plan ahead for upcoming tasks and events. Also, review your plans regularly to keep track of your actual progress. Flexibility in time. It is important to recognize that not everything will always go according to plan. Unexpected events and delays can happen. Therefore, be flexible in managing your time and be flexible enough to adjust your plans as needed. Learn to say no. One way to use your time effectively is to learn to say no. Set your own boundaries and use your time more efficiently by saying no to unnecessary or time-wasting activities. Time management skills can help you succeed in your personal and professional life. Set your goals, prioritize, plan, and use your time effectively. By applying these tips, you can lead a more productive, organized, and happy life.